Welcome to Hexaltouch School. Today we are going to learn about the vowel combination of U and A. Together, they form ui. A diphthong. It is one of the most difficult sounds in Dutch, especially for new learners. Let us break it down step by step. Step 1. Start by saying a, like in the English words bus or fun. Your mouth should be slightly open. Your jaw needs to be relaxed. Your tongue should be in a neutral position. Step 2. Begin to round your lips. Think of starting to say the word you, but do not go all the way. Stop before it becomes a full O sound. The sound ui is a glide. It moves from a to a soft, rounded U. You do not stop in between. It flows smoothly as one sound. Listen again. Ui, ui, ui. Try repeating it now. Practice slowly and clearly. When you are ready, try it in real Dutch words. Like uien, which means onions. Or uit, which means out. That is how you pronounce the Dutch sound. Ui. Keep practicing. You are doing great. See you in the next lesson.